Established in 1955, Pine Valley Country Club is nestled in the heart of Wilmington, North Carolina. For over 60 years, Pine Valley Country Club has been providing the finest facilities exclusively for the full enjoyment of its members and their guests. We are committed to creating a family-oriented, friendly atmosphere. Our southern hospitality always provides an elegant environment for members and their guests. More than just great golf, Pine Valley Country Club offers fine dining, full banquet facilities, 6 all-weather professionally lighted clay tennis courts, and a pool with an active swim team.
Let me introduce you to the course as it is today and periodically update you with videos throughout the renovation period. Let's start at hole 1, a 344 yards par 4, and rated the 13th most challenging hole on today's course. Hole 1 is a straightforward par 4. Keep your ball in the middle of the fairway. Hook to the left off the tee and you'll enjoy a downhill roll toward the number 9 tee box. The green slopes forward with sand bunkers on both sides, generally reachable on the second stroke with an iron. The second hole is a 503-yard par 5 rated the 17th hardest hole on the course. The course has a right dogleg at about 250 yards with trees encroaching in the fairway on the right of the course near the dogleg. The cart path crosses the fairway beyond the dogleg and it's a straight drive to the upsloping green with sand bunkers protecting both sides of the approach. The greens are tricky, especially if you're on the upslope beyond the flag. The third hole is a 352-yard par 4 rated the 3rd hardest hole on the course. The course has a slight dogleg to the left at about 235 yards. There is a depression at this point obscuring players at this location from the tee boxes. The fairway falls away on the left side of the course in front of the left sand bunker, and balls short of the green often roll off front of the left bunker. Hole 4 is a 166-yard par 3 rated the 5th hardest hole on the course. From the elevated tee box, it's a drive over a stream protecting the approach to the green. Hole 5 is a 401-yard par 4 rated the hardest hole on the course. From the elevated tee box, it's a drive over a stream and cart path, followed by a significant fairway rise which obscures the remaining fairway to the hole. Once over the rise, there are trees encroaching on the right side of the fairway. Clearing the rise and trees provides a clear path to the forward-sloping green. This green is not protected by sand bunkers, but you don't want to be long and off the elevated back of the green. Hole 6 is a 381-yard par 4 rated the 11th hardest hole on the course. Hole 6 has a significant downhill sloping forward and to the right, beginning about 185 yards. After the hill, there is a left dogleg at about 250 yards from the tee box. 2 trees on the left side of the fairway obstruct tee shots aimed at cutting the distance to the green. The down-sloping green is slightly uphill from the fairway and protected by 2 sand bunkers on the approach. Hole 7 is a 154-yard par 3 rated the 7th hardest hole on the course. The green is slightly higher than the tee box. A water hazard stream is only 30 yards from the green. The green is further protected by a sand bunker. Use caution, the right side go, the green falls away toward the stream. Hole 8 is a 478-yard par 5 and rated the ninth most difficult hole. The hole doglegs left at about 250 yards from the tee, then drives about 230 yards over a crossing cart path to the green. The elevated green is protected by two bunkers left and right.
The rear portion of the green steps up to an aggressive left slope, resulting in a challenging green to reach the pin.
Pine Valley Hole 9 is a par 4 of 296 yards and rated the 15th hardest hole on the course. Multiple sand bunkers begin about 200 yards at the left side of the fairway, and a large tree blocks the approach to the green at about 235 yards. Hole 10 is a 469-yard par 5 and rated the 18th hardest hole on the course. Clear the water hazard stream and cart path near the tee box and it's straight to the green. Like any of the Pine Valley greens, the slope is challenging. Hole 11 is a 412-yard par 4 and rated the 6th hardest hole on the course. Hole 11 has water hazard stream about 170 yards from the championship tee, prior to a right dogleg at about 180 yards. From there, it's about 215 yards to the green. The green is protected on the approach by sand bunkers both left and right. Hole 12 is a 204-yard par 3 and rated the 10th hardest hole on the course. It is a straight drive to the green. Be wary of the water hazard pond immediately beyond the green. Hole 13 is a 383-yard par 4 and rated the 4th hardest hole on the course. While it's a straight drive to an elevated green, there is a water hazard stream that crosses the course at 290 yards. There is one bunker to the left of the green, but seldom in play. Hole 14 is a 492-yard par 5 and rated the 16th hardest hole on the course. There is a water hazard stream 130 yards from the blue championship tee, before the fairway doglegs to the right at 200 yards. From the dogleg, the green lies about 290 yards. A water hazard pond blocks the right side of the fairway 50 yards prior to the green. A large pond lies immediately beyond the green. Water is a concern on this hole. Hole 15 is a 414-yard par 4 and rated the 2nd hardest hole on the course. The fairway has a water hazard stream at 60 yards followed by a slight dogleg to the right at 180 yards. The green is in play without sand bunkers. Hole 16 is a 358-yard par 4 and rated the 14th hardest hole on the course. The fairway has a water hazard stream at 270 yards. The green is in play without sand bunkers. Hole 17 is a 176-yard par 3 and rated the 12th hardest hole on the course. Hole 18 is a 406-yard par 4 and rated the 8th hardest hole on the course. The fairway from the tee is straight and level but does fall off prior to the water hazard stream at 350 yards. There are 3 sand bunkers protecting the green.
2 are on either side of the approach protecting the uphill sloping green.